Starting. So, then over. Okay, we are in manual. We are at 41 degrees. Motor start. Oh, that's a bit excited. Motor starting. Let's go. So we've got a new location today. Let's have a little looky down here. I don't know what's at the bottom here. I think it's a dead end. Let's see. Well, it's not a dead end, but I don't think anyone uses this because we are, as you can see, in the middle of nowhere. Well, we've gone into no UAV mode, so I'm so far away. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit. So annoying when it does that. Okay, so we should be able to go back into manual. Yeah, there we go. Kookaburras are going off. Random car stopped to have a look at what I was doing, I think. Okay, let's have an explore. Some nice hills over here. Hills. I don't know what these are. What are those? What are these guys? I don't know. Breaking up a little bit there. Okay, want to get a cool power loop over the road or over this path. Is it a road? Over this track. So like this. Looks so cool when you have that down the center. See if we can get one in the opposite direction. A little bit scarred from power loops, one with the Neo, and then also I've had a couple of times where I've hit the floor with the Avata. I'm going to make sure I climb up enough. Like so. And over. Try some split S. Oh, there we go. That's not good. Okay, looks like I'm going for a walk. I can try turtle mode. Should I try turtle mode? Let's have a go. How do we do this? So, go across. No, it's a bit too much. Okay, let's go for a walk. Okay, where was it? Let's add the beeper on. Oh yeah, upside down. Bit dirty. So it looks okay. Okay, let's have a look. Now the only issue is, see the gimbal guard is a bit buckled. It's one of these ones that screws on, and I'm not sure now because I had one on the Neo and it's like putting a lot of pressure. Actually, it pulled out. Lesson learned: make sure your USB-C cap cover is done up. That's not done up. That's not good. The ND filter. The ND filter is not on it. Oh shit! We have lost the ND filter. Okay, let's check she flies okay. Okay, let's test her again. We're back into manual. Motor's starting. Oh wow, no ND filter. Not recording. Okay. Alright, she's flying okay. But we definitely need some sunglasses on. Let's maybe have a crazy rip with the Neo. Gimbal on the Neo is exactly the same. It's all twisted over. I don't think actually these screw-on ones are the best if you are going to crash as much as I crash. But it might be better with the plastic clip-on ones. I know they fly off, but if you order 2 or 3 of those, that might be a better option. Okay, we've actually got some satellites. 16, 17. Yeah, this is good. The Neo has been struggling to get satellites. Okay. Motor's starting. Let's go. Oi. I get some prop wash on a roll. Can't say it. Prop wash on a roll. Try some sort of power loop. Hey. Not the best. Not the best on a healthy Neo, and this is definitely not a healthy Neo. Slow roll. Got any gaps? Oh, hello. Nice and low. Some sort of dive. Oi, that was pushing. Dumping rubbish prohibited. Oi. Oh. Yeah, Nelly split us. If you give it time, yeah, see, prop wash and probably not enough time. And no turtle mode. There's a tyre here. Oh. But it's got loads of water in it. So we're going to try fly the Neo up through that little tyre gap, and then do a power loop. Okay. Okay. Wibbly wobbly, but we got through. It's a success. Let's try doing one a little bit faster for the finale of the finales. Yay, power loop. All right, normal Dio, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any requests. Let me know if you have any advice. And I'll speak to you guys in the next one. Whee, we got it again. And again. All right, let's stop.